Hello everyone, welcome to Career Talk once again. This video is extremely important from income tax perspective because the income tax department has come up with something called as AIS, which is Annual Information Statement. Okay, this is like an extended version of Form 26AS. So in AIS, you will have all of the information of financial transactions which you have done in the previous year. Okay, it is just not limited to few things, it is going to include everything. Okay, and it is something which is getting evolved over a period of time. Okay, so you need to understand, like, things like bogus HRA which people used to claim earlier will now not be possible. Okay, but before I tell you how, I would request you to subscribe to the channel if you are new and also press the bell icon for all notifications. So let's assume you have rented a property and you are paying a rent of more than 8,000 rupees, so you can claim HRA, okay, which is house rent allowance, which will become tax exempted, right? So a lot of people, what they do is sometimes they claim fake HRA, okay, so which means they have not rented a property but they will give fake rent receipts. Okay. But if the rent is more than 8,000, then you are supposed to give the PAN number of your landlord. Okay, so people used to fake that as well. They used to give PAN ID of some relative, okay, or some friend, because there was no way for the government to validate, right? But now what is going to happen is, once you give rent receipts and once you give the PAN card details to your employer will submit all these details to the income tax department, and guess what? The income tax department will show this income on the AIS of your landlord. Okay, so there is no way this landlord is going to escape from showing that income, the rent income, on his AIS, right? So he has to pay tax for that. Now, if you have shown an incorrect PAN ID, the incorrect PAN ID will get penalized with respect to that rent income, right? But there is a provision that, if somebody is trying to cheat the system or, put some incorrect PAN over there, the person can actually go and check the AIS and say that this is an incorrect entry. So if I am a landlord, I can be rest assured that nobody can put a fake rent on my profile and I have to pay tax for that. That's not going to happen. So I can make that correction in AIS. Okay. But in short, there is no way people can claim fake HRA, and there is no way people can give house on rent and then not pay tax for it. Okay, so this is a big change which is going to happen. Of course, AIS is going to take some time to mature. Okay, so go to the income tax department website and look for it. I'll give you the link in the details. You can read through. So with the help of AIS, income tax department can track more than 40 financial transactions. Okay, it is just not limited to few. They can track your mutual fund transactions, equity transactions. They can track your cash deposits in the bank. They can track your rent payment. They can track your balance in the bank. They can track your how much interest you are earning on the deposits, etc., etc. How many debit cards you have, how many credit cards you have. Everything is going to get tracked via AIS. I will give you the link in the description. You can go and have a look at it. Things are changing fast, so it is important for us to be aware. Okay, I hope you found this information useful, guys. Do subscribe to the channel if you have not done it already. I'll see you in another video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.